In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Descript's AI templates in Underlord. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, about a week ago, Descript introduced AI templates or templates for Descript. And these are more or less for Underlord specifically because there are different other layout things that you may think are templates, but those may be in other categories. Now, for templates, there are two ways to access templates. From the home page, where you see these particular options: edit a video, create with an avatar, edit a podcast, create social clips, translate and dub video, turn slides into video, make and explain a video, get a transcript, or browse more templates. If I click on this, you'll be able to see all the templates available right here. I believe there should be about 15 or 18 templates at the time of recording this video, but this is one of the places you can find them. So let's close this. The next potential place for you to find the templates is when you create a new project, video project. And from here, even without uploading anything, just click on Underlord on the bottom right of your screen. So you can say get a transcript, click on this, and it shows you all this. It looks like there's no media files in your project. Please upload audio or video. So just click on this and then navigate to the folder where you want to kind of have your sample from, or whatever file from. So let's say we go with this one. Click on open, and once you do that, it's going to upload that particular video or audio file that you're working with. So there we go. Just click on this particular upload. It's thinking. Here your file has been uploaded. Here's the plan. Transcription workflow. Actually going to outline the transcription workflow. I'm going to set the speaker name to David. It's actually detecting speakers right there. Should have let me name my speaker, but I'm just going to actually click OK. So Underlord needs a minute to analyze the uploaded media before it can continue editing. So there we go, processed media, and you can see file, added to script, detect speakers, processing media. So it's more or less like it's going to do everything more or less like a heavy lifting kind of way for you. Instead of you doing all those different processes, then it's actually going to do it for you right there. Let's see. So transcribing 0%, 50%. So it's actually doing what it needs to do based on that particular template that it has right there. So what I also want to kind of see is if once the transcription is done, does it give us any other templates to work with? Transcription timeout. I'll continue automatically as soon as the transcript is ready. You don't need to do anything, just sit tight. I'll update you the results and next steps. So that's okay. There's a timeout of sorts there. It was at 50%. I can also click on show timeline so that we see if our file is going to be right there. So you can see it's continuing, and if you look at this, transcribing that particular video. So it may take a while depending on the length of your video, and this one is a short video, it's about 3 minutes 49, but it's actually done. So it's done right there. Looks good. So what does it do? If I click right inside here, you can actually ask it anything else it wants. But now with the templates right there, I wish there was a way to kind of pull them up right now and see what else I can do. But the template we were working with is this particular one to edit or just generate a transcript. It's done exactly that. So I wish there's a way to kind of call out more templates right here instead of having to type in everything. But depending on what you're working on, that is how you can use AI templates in Descript to make sure Underlord does what you need it to do. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning. Thanks for watching.